You think you know everything, don't you? You think because I'm here in your world that I don't understand what it means to be torn apart by culture and expectation. But let me tell you something, Ata. You and your family, your customs, your traditions, do you even see me? I am not some exotic flower you can display and admire from a distance at all. I am real. I have my dreams, my fears. I came here because I love you. But I guess love isn't just enough, is it? I am trapped between who I am and who you want me to be. And every time I try to speak, to be understood, it feels like I'm speaking a language no one else can hear. I did not leave America to feel this lost at all. I didn't leave my home to become a ghost in yours.